So the Optics app is very similar to the driver app. You're going to be able to go in and see all of your routes. It is very similar to the driver app, except for the managers and the DCs and the AOs. You all can see everybody. It is accessible on an Apple iPhone, iPad, Android tablets, Android phones. It's just not necessarily available to you on the Boss system itself. But we have talked about doing that. There are some features that are in the Boss system that you can see in there that are from this. So you can see real-time activity, whether or not how far along somebody is in their day within that Boss system, because that is something that we have been asked for before. So thank you, Mr. Ricky, for the question. And that was something else I forgot to mention, this add note feature. It is in there. That has been in there for a little while, but I know for some of you who have not been using our system before, this add stop notes feature is really great because if there is the ability for you to take a video of whatever the stop note has associated with it, it is going to be attached to the driver kind of kin for that driver for whoever has it next.